There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hey guys, gosh, I almost missed that because I always like wait for it to time and then when it's when I'm supposed to go like hi guys. But so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I usually like shape my eyebrows according to my face because I feel like I have like a more round face and it's not bad, but there's a way I always love like making my eyebrows, and one way or the way I am going to show you is I always feel like it makes my face look a little bit slimmer, and that way I love it. So I'm going to share with you what I usually do. I'm only going to use like two products. I'm using this pro concealer. It's the Illegal pro concealer in the this is in cool tan shade. This is, yeah, cool tan. It's quite let me say lighter than my skin, but I will manage using it. And then I'm using the Davis Hype Brown Pencil in the color number 18. So let me show you how I do that. I'm going to pick up my mirror because like I can't be using the phone to do the whole process, and then I show you. I think I'm good to go. So this is the mirror I'm using. It's like the decorative mirror, but I don't have anything else that I can look, which is more the waves. That one, which is on the bigger side, so I don't feel like I'll use it. So let's get into this. I want to. So what I'm going to do is, first I usually start by on this part. I don't like take the whole part, so let's just do this. I hope you already see like a little difference. So I'm going to start filling the edges. So now you have something like that. This is what I was talking about. Like you make your face more like elevated. You want to push the eyebrows a little bit higher than compared to when if I were to draw something like that, my face would still be looking very fat, and that is a, that is one thing I'm trying to avoid. So this is what I do. I make sure that I lift it a little bit higher, and then like I have a lot of space, working space on my eyes left. So I'll do the same thing, then I show you how I feel, and then we can conceal. So you want to take it a little bit higher. Like that. You see, I don't have like a perfect sister eyebrow, but at least I have something that you can, you know. So if you have a round face, the secret is like make the eyebrow a little bit higher so that you may have your face contouring downwards. If I was to, I wish I had a picture. I think I'm going to look for a picture to insert so that you may see what I'm talking about. There's a time that I used to do my eyebrows like this, and then like my face would look more fat. So that's how we are doing it. So now I'm going to shade, and I'm going to try and make it a little bit longer like that. I'm feeling the edges, then I'm going to like like that. I might I might not have the best camera, but you can see if I come a little bit near. Maybe I'm supposed to shade a little bit though. Like that. And then on this side like that. I wouldn't want to share. Cool. So once. Let me become there. So now you are going to pour some little like that. And then I'm going first to start with the top part. Like that. I'm going to correct as we go on. You can see I made like a little mistake over there, but I'm going to correct. But highlighted as they are, you can like, depending on how thick you want them to be, like that is the size I love, so I'm going to correct that baadaye. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to blend. And if you don't have like a blender, you can still use your hand. That is what I'm going to use to show you the easiest way you can do. You can actually blend these with your fingers. Or a makeup brush. I have a couple of them there, but let me just use my finger. And I'm going to like do like a repeated motion. Like that. You can see like it's more blended than the way it was. I'm going to repeat on the next. I'm pulling this down so that it becomes even and like you don't notice anything that is weird, like that. So they are quite blended. So I'll do the same thing on the upper one. On this one, I'm going to just like spread it just like you do with a brush. And then begin. Just a minute. Yeah, and that way they are better. There's more over here. Just like that, they look more natural, and even and my face doesn't look as round as it was before. And just like that, you're done.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you,